Good morning, everyone! Worldwide, good morning! Today, I'm gonna teach you how to remove your CPR on your videos. Please watch my whole tutorial and have fun. And if you're not yet connected to me, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hello, good evening guys, or good afternoon, good morning sa inyo. Today po ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-remove ng inyong copyright sa inyong mga videos. Okay? Please watch. First, punta muna tayo sa YouTube. Okay? And then, pag nasa YouTube na tayo, natin, di ba magla-login ka na? Okay. Let's say naka-login ka na. So, ngayong araw na to, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo ay sample ko ang account ni Thundersnell kasi meron siyang copyright. So, ito ngayon ang kanyang ipapa-remove or ipapaayos, okay? So, let's go to the YouTube studio of Thundersnell. Ayan, YouTube studio. Ayan, umiikot pa siya. So, dito tayo sa YouTube studio. Ayan, YouTube studio. Umiikot. Sige. Tapos, dito na tayo. Ayan, yung kanyang videos. Let's go to the videos which we're going to remove the CPR or copyright. Okay, ayan. Nakita ninyo mga videos niya. Meron siyang uploaded at saka sa live. Pero nandun siya sa uploaded videos niya yung ating ipapa-remove. Nandiyan, no? Ayan. Nakita ninyo copyright. So, let's go to the copyright. Saan yung mouse ko? Mouse is here. So, nakita niyo yan. Pag na-click mo yung copyright, please watch carefully kung paano ko gagawin, ha? Okay, yan ang copyright. So, click natin yung details kung ano yung copyright niya. Okay? So, makikita natin doon kung ano yung kanyang copyright. Bakit siya nagkaroon copyright? Okay? So, ayan. Nakikita nyo? Not affected. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. So, walang problema dyan. So, let's go here. Walang problema. Dito tayo nagka-problema. Okay? And eligible. Okay? And eligible. Okay? Tingnan natin yan. So, punta tayo dito sa baba. Okay? Nakita niyo yung baba? Diyan sa select action. Nakita nyo yung video niya. Ayan. So, that's the video. May music siyang ginamit. I'm just a kid. Tapos my video cannot be monetized kasi may CPR. Okay? So, punta tayo dito sa my selection action. Kita nyo yan? So, selection action, either you replace the song or you have to mute the song na ginamit doon sa kanyang video. So, we're going to mute the song. Gagawin natin mute. Okay, yun. Mute na natin para maalis yung sinasabing copyright. The content ID on your video doesn't affect your channel, sabi niya. Okay? So, ginawa na natin. Na-mute na natin yung kanyang video. So, mute all sounds when new songs plays. Mute songs only or mute sounds when songs play. Mute songs only. Nakalagay dito. So, pipili tayo dito kung saan dito ang ating gagawin. Mute all sounds when songs play or remove all sounds on your video while claim songs plays. So, dito tayo kasi hindi pwede. Dito tayo sa mute songs only. Okay? Let's try. Click natin to. Sige. Ayan. Nakalagay doon, mute. Kasi mute ang pinili ko, no? Para mawala yung copyright. Kasi doon siya nag-copyright sa sounds. Okay, ayan. It takes a lot of minutes or takes an hour. Pero bago natin ma-detect kung nawala na siya. So, let's do this. Mute song is in progress. Sabi niya, oh, ayan. It's in progress. So, let's go. This process might take a while. Sabi niya, you may close this window and check back later. So, ganyan. So, i-close natin ang window. Babalik tayo mamaya. O, ayan pa, di ba? So, ayan pa. So, mamaya, babalikan natin yan. Okay, guys? I hope na natutunan ninyo kung paano mag-remove ng inyong copyright. Ganyan lang po siya. And I hope you learn a lot from me. And I hope you guys knows already how to remove your copyright if you have copyright on your videos. Okay, thank you very much and I'll see you later. Ayan guys, after a minutes, ayan nakita ko na. Yan o, nawala na yung kanyang copyright. Diba? Nakita nyo, wala na yung claim. So, very good. Well done. And good luck guys. I hope you learn a lot from my tutorial. Yan po, nawala na po yung claim ng kanyang video. Diba kanina mayroon dyan restriction. Nakikita ninyo dyan. Ngayon wala na siya. Ayan. Hope to see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.